Hello, dear colleagues. Inside the outstanding scientific content included in the program of the next virtual Congress of the ESSM, I would like to highlight the ESSM Grand Session. This session will be held on Saturday, February 19 from 10:30 to 11:30 and will provide the results of 4 projects of cutting-edge research funded by the ESSM in the last years. It will include highly interesting preclinical basic findings on the impact of diabetes on ED caused by cavernous nerve injury and on immunological aspects of cavernous disease. Additionally, speakers will present clinical results on the efficacy of platelet-rich plasma injections in the treatment of ED, as well as on the psychological impact of hormonal therapy in trans persons. I encourage your attendance and active participation in this interesting session at the ESSM Congress. See you soon.